Manga Bros here, and we will be unboxing Suguru Geto Nendoroid. So let's get into it. So first off, we got the front. We got the sides. It's like a golden color, so it looks pretty cool. Got the bottom, and we got the top. So let's start unboxing. Couldn't think I did. Taking a while. Got them out of the package, so. Stand off first. A tire over there. Looking really nice. Damn it, dude. You have to take his head off, right? I guess.
No.
Look at that plastic, it's pretty strong. Got his mad face or something. It looks really nice. Really good coloring on it. Dang it. It looks so nice, dude. Definitely one of the best Jujutsu Nendoroid, to tell you that. You got his like smiling face. See the rings. You got his folding hands or arms. You got his other arm. And that's really damn small. That's really small. Damn Utah student ID, whatever, or his Jujutsu license, or Kaisen, whatever, sorcerer license. That's really hard to focus.
Might focus.
Can't really see it, it's really small. And then the back is a swap. Pretty cool. Got the curse right here. Orb. Looking nice. Really like glossy looking too. Which is pretty cool. Like a marble.